Hey y'all, it's Tanya. Let's pack this order for Tracy. Tracy ordered um 4 candles. She ordered the Just Breathe candle. This candle is really popular among people who suffer from migraines because it's heavy in eucalyptus and peppermint oil. The next candle she ordered was our sparkling grapefruit candle. This is from our spring and summer collection. There's only a few left, so get one while you can. Next, she ordered 2 energy cleanse candles. These candles are really fresh and have a light fragrance. They're good for having in the office for focus. And for her freebie, I gave her a movie night. And this one kind of smells like movie night. Butter, fresh popcorn, caramel. And the packaging for those changed also. And here's an example of the new packaging, which these are triple scented. So let's pack this order for Tracy. Thank you for watching.